Let's go with it. Let's say total wait time. The fun part is when you say total wait time, now who waited for how much? Be very careful in this and pay extra attention to how we are going towards it. If we talk about P1, P1 started over here, so 0 for this, but then it waited 1, 2, 3, 4 for the first cycle, then again started over here, then waited 1, 2, so 2 for this, then again started here, then waited 1, then again started over here, waited 1, again started here and waited 1, and then there was no waiting. So for P1 the wait period would come out to be a big amount. Plus, mind you, this was only done for P1. Next job is for P2. Let's see. For P2, it waited already for 1. Sorry for the color. Waited already for the 1. Editing team, please help. Starting for P2, P2 only waited initially for 1. Then it started. Then again waited for 1, 2, 3. Now when you are calculating, do not forget one funny fact. Was P2 big enough? If we go back, if we remember, P2 only lasted for 1. So there will be only 1. That's it. We will not be adding anything beyond that. So guys, be careful. There's no plus required. It will only have 1. Adding to the next round, let's talk about P3. So if we talk about P3, P3 initially waited for 2 burst cycles. Let's add it up. P3 again, remember, go up. P3 again last only for 1 cycle, that is after 2, 1 and then 0. So let's calculate. So first it waited 2, then it waited 1, 2, 3, followed by P3 again started, and then P3 got over. So this was for P3. Similarly, my dear, this was for P2. Plus, let's go with the next. Talk about P4. Now P4, if we talk about, P4. Now P4, if you talk about, remember, P4 only lasted for 1. So be careful. Again, P4 started at 3. So it waited till 3 and then nothing. So P4 only waited for 3 burst cycle and then it started. Sorry, editing. Again repeating the statement, only the statement, be careful. P4 only lasted 1 cycle and it waited only till 3 burst cycle and then it started. So 3 waiting period. Further, for P5, let's talk about, if we say P5 practically lasted multiple cycles rather. So again we need to calculate. I'll just shift it down. Plus for P5, let's go with it, how things are gonna be worked. P5 initially waited till 4 burst cycles, so 4 plus, then 1, 2 burst cycle plus 1, then again plus 1, then again plus 1, and then there was no waiting. So P5 had this. Putting everything together in our sum, total wait time for individual I am writing because that will help us for turnaround time. So it is 4 plus 2. I'm just adding it all. For P1, let me write it down. For P1 we waited for 9 burst cycles. This is for P1, added 2. For P2 we only waited for 1 burst cycle, plus for P3 we waited for 5 burst cycle. For P4 we only waited to 3 burst cycle. Similarly, for P5 we waited for 9 burst cycle. So the total which we have in hand is 27, which is a good amount. If we want average total waiting time, we would get 27 by 5 is 5.4, which is impressive.